Disneyland Monorail. For your safety during our journey, please keep your hands and arms inside the cabin and remain seated at all times. And no smoking, please. You're riding aboard one of the new Mark V monorails, an advanced design of the first daily operating monorail system in the Western Hemisphere, introduced right here at Disneyland. We're traveling along a 2.5-mile highway in the sky, en route to the Disneyland Hotel, our next stop. We're now cruising at 30 miles per hour alongside Harper Boulevard, probably the road you used to enter Disneyland. When Disneyland opened in 1955, most of the surrounding land consisted of orange groves and open fields. Needless to say, things have changed quite a bit since then. As we continue across our 100-acre parking area, I'm sure you've already spotted your number. We're now approaching the Disneyland Hotel. This year-round resort features its own marina playground, dozens of special missions, and 16 different restaurants and lodges. Edible voyages around the Primark to everything's in English. The Disneyland Hotel is a 13-year-old fun. If you'd like to visit the hotel and return to Disneyland later today, please make sure you have your Disneyland passport and then have your hands stamped as you leave the station window. The hand stamp along with your passport will allow you to reboard the monorail anytime up until a half hour prior to Disneyland closing. This is the Disneyland Hotel station. If you are disembarking, please exit the station toward the rear of the monorail. Those of you remaining on board will be departing for a return trip to Tomorrowland in just a few moments. Thank you. To those of you who have just joined us, welcome aboard. For your safety, we ask that you keep your hands and arms inside. You're traveling aboard the first daily operating monorail system in America, en route to Tomorrowland. The Mark V monorail is the latest development in innovative transportation systems. The Mark V's were designed for a top speed of 70 miles per hour. But here at the Magic Kingdom, the Disneyland Skyway Patrol sees to it that we cruise along at a comfortable 35 miles per hour. Across the way is the Main Street station. Streetcars transport you through turn-of-the-century America.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Monorail Purple. Just a few reminders for you. Disneyland is open this evening until 6 p.m. with the monorails running to and from the Disneyland Hotel every 5 minutes. Also, for those of you staying at the hotel this evening, the last monorail will be making its final one-way trip back to the hotel promptly at 6 o'clock. Once again, thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your stay here at the Magic Kingdom.
As we re-enter Disneyland, please keep your hands and arms inside the cabin. Thank you. A couple of trees. We're now turning toward Tomorrowland. Directly below us is the October, where anyone can sit there, sporting convertible, and it's okay to drive without a license. Below us is Submarine Lagoon, where underwater ships voyage beneath the North Pole to explore the mysterious world of liquid space. Towering above is the majestic laboratory. There you can enjoy a thrilling bobsled run, gliding through crystal caverns and racing down icy slopes. We're now above the motorboat cruise, where young skippers plan their own private yachts and cruise through narrow straits and bumpy rapids.
Memory to train control. Train control. Vinny, when you get a chance, would you call me at this shop, please? The roundhouse.
is the people. This automated transportation system was first introduced here in the Magic Kingdom. Someday, you may see similar systems efficiently carrying passengers in your own hometown. Turning toward Fantasyland, where you can join in the adventures of Peter Pan, Snow White, Pinocchio, and other favorite Disney characters. Nearby is one of the most popular Disneyland attractions, It's a Small World. As we approach Matterhorn Mountain, we'd like to remind you to keep your hands and arms inside the monorail. We're now approaching the Tomorrowland Monorail Station, our final destination. From here, you'll disembark into the world of the future. Tomorrowland is the home base of Captain EO and the intergalactic adventures of Space Mountain and Star Tours. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then, remember to collect your belongings and watch your head and your step as you exit. This is Tomorrowland. Thank you for traveling aboard the Disneyland Monorail.
Train control, Center 2.
If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, can I ask that you please like the video and subscribe to my channel? Doing so is like having a fast pass to new content as it becomes available, and lets me know that you appreciate my efforts.